Industry analysis is the process of examining and evaluating a particular industry to gain insight into its structure, trends, challenges, opportunities, and competitive dynamics. An effective industry analysis typically involves defining the industry, gathering data, analyzing the competitive landscape, identifying industry trends, and assessing opportunities and threats. The first step in industry analysis is to define the industry and its boundaries. The next step is to gather data on the industry, including market size, growth, trends, and competitive landscape. Essential to understand the competitive landscape of the industry, including the key players, their market share, and their strengths and weaknesses. Overall industry analysis provides a comprehensive understanding of the industry's current state and future prospects, allowing businesses and investors to make informed decisions. There are several methods of conducting industry analysis. Number one, Porter's five forces analysis. This framework helps to evaluate the attractiveness of an industry by analyzing five competitive forces: threat of new entrants, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitute products or services, and intensity of competitive rivalry. Then comes SWOT analysis. This method involves evaluating the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of an industry. It helps to identify the internal and external factors that can impact the industry's growth and success. Pestle analysis. This analysis assesses the impact of various external factors on an industry, including political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. Life cycle analysis helps to identify the various stages of an industry's life cycle, including introduction or pioneer phase, growth phase, maturity, and decline. It helps to understand the industry's current state and predict future trends. Value chain analysis helps to analyze the various activities and processes that add value to an industry. It, it helps to identify the strengths and weaknesses of an industry's value chain and find ways to improve it. Competitive benchmarking involves comparing an industry's performance against its competitor. It helps to identify the strengths and weaknesses of an industry compared to its peers. Scenario planning involves developing different scenarios that can impact an industry's future, such as changes in technology, regulation, or market trends. It helps to prepare for potential challenges and opportunities that may arise. In conducting industry analysis, it's important to consider the technological trends and advancements that are shaping the industry. For example, new technologies can create new products and services and disrupts existing business models and change the way companies interact with customers. Moreover, technology can enable new competitors to enter the market and challenge established players. For example, the rise of e-commerce and mobile platforms has enabled small startups to compete with large retailers. Industry analysis also helps to identify the key success factors in the industry, which often include technological capabilities. Companies that invest in research and development to create new technologies and improve existing ones are likely to be more successful in the long run. By closely monitoring changes in the market and needs of the customers, businesses can gain insights into new areas where they can innovate and create value. For example, Many industries are currently undergoing significant disruption due to increasing use of digital technologies and the rise of e-commerce. Companies that are able to leverage these trends to develop new business models, products, or services can gain a competitive advantage over their peers. By analyzing the various inputs and factors that contribute to the cost of production, companies can identify areas where they can innovate to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Regulations play a very important role in industry shape and functioning. Regulations ensure that companies operate ethically and within the law. They can help protect consumers, promote fair competition, and ensure that businesses follow environmental and safety standards. Regulatory compliance is essential for business to avoid legal issues, penalties, and damage to their reputation. Ultimately, the ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions is critical to the success of any industry. It's important for companies to stay up to date and on industry regulations. This can help them to identify opportunities for growth and comply with legal requirements. Companies can hire industry experts and legal professionals to help them navigate the complex world of regulations. Social factors can affect an industry include demographic shifts, cultural norms, lifestyle trends, and consumer preferences. For example, an aging population may increase demand for healthcare services. Industry analysts must consider social factors when conducting an industry analysis, as they can have a profound impact on market demand, consumer behavior, and regulatory environment. By analyzing social factors, analysts can identify potential opportunities and threats in the industry as as well as anticipate changes in consumer preferences, emerging trends, and shifts in social values. Overall, understanding social factors is essential for conducting a comprehensive industry analysis as they provide valuable insights into how the industry is likely to perform in the future and how it can adapt to changing market conditions. By going through industry analysis, a startup can avoid mistakes and pursue its business venture successfully. Thank you for watching this video.